Hello and welcome back, guys. So we have a situation over here where we will be given a n number of values. I mean, we need to convert a number into a list of digit, but in reversed order, right? So let's just print n for now, just to check only. Right, everything will be a int data type, I guess. Right, we need to check the type of it. Let's just run the code. It's all int, right? So first of all, we need to make it into a thing. So let's just do return directly, and let's do str n, and then let's reverse it -1, and then let's make it into a list, right? uh, that works, but what we need to do is int I guess, for I in this thing, right, in the reverse string, because we need to make it into a data type of int back again. All right, I think this thing just works. Let's submit the code. Let's see the solutions. What I did over here is, first of all, converted it into a string, and then I did the slicing operator -1 that basically converts it into a thing, right? So it converts it into a reversed string value, and then we grab every element of it and then convert it into a int using list comprehension. Okay, so that's how we did it. So this is not required. If we know list comprehension, that's completely fine. Right. So yeah, that's how we solve this particular problem. If you have any questions, do comment down below. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.